right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Today we're back inside of our Moccasin module, and we're going to pick back up from where we left off yesterday inside the PyTest fixtures. So let's dive right in. So you can see here, this is our PyTest fixture. This is our scope here, and we set it to module. So you can see in this example, we changed the scope of the various contract fixture to module scope. This means that the fixture will be invoked once per module, and all test functions in the module will share the same fixture instance. Now, using module scope can be useful when the setup of the fixture is expensive and we want to avoid repeating it for each test function. That's it for this section on PyTest fixture scopes. In this next section, we'll be going over the concept of conftest.py files. You can see it is our conftest.py file section. In this section, we will go over the concept of conftest.pys, obviously. Now, conftest.py file is a special file in PyTest that is used to define fixtures and hooks that can be shared across multiple test files. The conftest.py file is automatically discovered by PyTest when it runs tests. To create a conftest.py file, we simply create a new file called conftest.py in the test folder. Inside the conftest.py file, we can define our fixtures that we want to share across multiple test files. Now we're going to leave it right there for right now. Like I said, this is a new section that we're diving into. It's called conftest.py files, and we're going to pick it back up tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.